Back then, feeling ko, okay naman itsura ko, hindi naman ako masyadong pango. But then yung mga pang-aasar nila, it led me to my insecurities.
A lot of people are saying you would look better if you had an enhanced nose.
Maging overachiever ko, it is to mask my insecurities about my physical appearance.
Kapag gusto ko makipag-friends sa school, feeling ko hindi ako bilong sa circle.
Pag wala pala tayong confidence, no, we get robbed of human connection. Matagal ko talaga siyang pangarap.
This is it.
Finally, mangyayari na talaga siya.
It's not about transformation. It's more on elevation.
I'm looking forward to the experience of the patient.
Can I give you a hug?
We want you to experience your full potential.
Live your best life after this.
So, are you guys ready to release it? Yeah!